Hello and welcome to Trading Hour. I'm Sonia Shenoy. With me is Surbhi Upadhyay and Pavitra Parekh. It's what, after 8 days of losses, finally, markets are heaving a sigh of relief. The markets are in the green. Whether this sustains or not, time will tell. But the good part is not only has the market opened up in the green, we have built on to our gains, a tad bit, of course, but built on to it. It's been a stable day so far. The Nifty holding on above the 17,400 mark. Now, it's important to see a couple of things. One, whether we continue to sustain these gains. Two, whether the 200-day moving average, which the market has now conquered, it's about 17,384, whether that holds or not. A lot of pockets are doing well, but it is purely a pullback that you're seeing, whether it's in the Adani Group stocks, whether it's in the new age tech companies. There's a big pullback that you're seeing. Nykaa, PB Fintech, Zomato, large trades over there. And M&M is also in the green after the CLSA upgrade. So let's see which way things head. But for now, I think, suffice to say that a pullback was coming. It was just a matter of time. But whether it holds, that's the key.
That proverbial question, right? Is this a dead cat bounce? And if so, how long will the cat keep bouncing for? I was almost scared to wear this little bit of green, right? Because the color of the day and the days has been red for so long. But in any case, I guess...
It's an old world, phrase, right? Dead cat bounce. Way back in the day, we used to use it so frequently.
It just tells you how old we are getting, right? So, yeah, we're trying to see how long this, dead cat, if that's what it is, how long it can stay up in the air, how long it can keep bouncing. Well, it has good comfort and cushion today from global markets and also from the fact that the FPI selling number has reduced. So since the month kind of, has wrapped up, I just looked at the data and that's been reassuring. If you just simply pull together the trends, then the selling has come down to 5,000 odd crores, 5,300 compared to almost 29,000 crores of selling in January. So that's the positive aspect of it, and that perhaps explains why we're not getting huge, deep gashes. And the market, in best case scenario, has been in a very tight range. It's not sliding away in a one-way fashion beyond a point. Of course, the last 7-8 days have been very, very challenging. But the overall trend is that FIs have stopped selling as much. Now, will this continue or not? That's the billion-dollar question. I was looking at data out of China, by the way, this morning. The Hong Kong market actually is up about 3%. Big surge in mainland China and in Hong Kong. There's the Hang Seng Few 3.5% right now as we see. The manufacturing numbers that have come in from the Chinese markets today are very, very strong. This is the official manufacturing PMI. And it's the highest level that we've seen in the last 12 years, 11 to 12 years. That's the kind of increase. And obviously all kinds of stocks in China are running. Technology, consumer, restaurant stocks, everything's up and about.
Hong Kong also has another reason to celebrate, right? They've finally scrapped the masking mandate. Yeah.
After 3 years.
After 3 long years, I can imagine the frustration and now, of course, the relief that's come through.
Maybe that's also contributing to this 3.5% up move on the Hang Seng. But yeah, I guess that's what we have to wait and watch. When today there's a bounce, so far it's been durable, Pavitra, but that's the question. I'm just almost scared to think about the second half, and the bulls will really hope that for once this can be a solid close today.
Let's see how it moves from here. But like you said, we do have some green on the screen. The metals pack has bounced. It has been under pressure. We've been talking about that through the week, through last week as well. So today, some of the top gainers are from the metals pack. So when I was talking about the Adani group of stocks, all of them holding in the green. You also have a lot of the auto stocks today, which are doing well. They are holding up well. Bajaj is up 1.5%. Of course, it has seen sharp cuts earlier in the week as well. The Feb sales weren't looking so good, but the stocks are holding up well right now. And the PSU bank index is also doing quite well today. So SBI is up, but these are some of the smaller banks as well, which are doing well. If you're seeing some red on the screen today from the larger names, it's definitely from the consumption stocks. So the likes of Britannia, Tata Consumer, you have Godrej Consumer, these ones seeing some cuts right now. So that's what's going on with the market action. We will keep tracking this, but first